Okay, I just enable the live streaming. Okay. I think we can start. I got the message from Pradesh that he will join the second half of this meeting.
Yes, he is going to join second half. We can continue.
Okay. Let me share the screen. Sorry for taking more time because it's a new laptop. We figured what happened. Here's my screen now. It's the notary project.
Yeah.
Meeting notes.
Yeah.
Can see it.
Okay. Yeah. Today I collected two topics. I think we may need to start the second one first, because the first one also it's better that Pradesh is in the meeting so that we can discuss. Is that okay? The second one is about the PR that SCAF team created, I think several weeks ago, and we needed to have a discussion aligned on the way forward, especially the comments from the community and maintainers. So over to you, Feynman. You can drive the discussion for the second topic.
Yeah. I will need to share my screen since I have to elaborate on how this pull request changed the behavior of the website. May I share my screen? Yeah. Seems like you as the host need to temporarily stop the sharing so I can share it as a guest. Okay.
Okay.
Now I can share my screen. Can you see it?
Yes.
Let me switch to the pull request. Actually, this pull request as a telemetry to the Notary Project website. The motivation is to add the website user analytics, the web traffic analytics to the website, so that we as maintainers can view how many users are viewing Notary Project documentation and which docs is the most popular. And also we can get insights on who are using our docs. Let me show you a simple example. If we can get this pull request merged into the main branch. As you may remember that SCAF team demonstrated how the SCAF service, the SCAF tool works when we use this tool to monitor the release download and website usage. So actually, if we enable the service, the SCAF service on the Notary Project website, we can get the insights like total views of the website, especially for the documentation, and the total unique viewers. I think these metrics will help us understand how the potential users going and what are the fundamental user base of the documentation. And also we can know the views by date. It will let us know how the project adoption growing by date, and also we can monitor the trend in the long term. Moreover, we can get the insights on who are using our documentation and where are these users come from. For example, it has the company adoption metrics and the location metrics. We can get the geolocation metrics on this map and see which area, which location has the most popular users. And even more, we can know which page is most popular and has the most views. This is how this tool works for documentation. And we can have the daily, weekly, and monthly basis analytics for the website. Furthermore, the SCAF team has a dedicated documentation to explain these metrics and also explain how it works. So basically, it's like Google Analytics. We just enable this tool, this telemetry in our website, so we can get those metrics on the dashboard. And the SCAF team told us that this is a free feature of the SCAF tool. So if we align on this kind of usage and we monitor the usage metrics, maintainers can take a look at this pull request and maybe approve on it. Any opinions for the SCAF tool? Whether we want to use this tool to monitor the web traffic and also get the user insights.
One question from my side. I just want to confirm the dashboard that you just showed. It will be provided for free, right?
Yeah, this part is free.
I mean, all the metrics in this page, even for the geography data.
Yeah, I think they charge by a longer term. If we want to view the metrics in last year, I think they will need to charge. But if we want to view the metrics within 1 year, I think those metrics are free for you, free to use.
Okay.
I can give more time for maintainers to take a look. It's actually a very tiny change on the documentation repository. So please take a look and see whether we want to enable the SCAF tool as the service to monitor our website. Just stop sharing.
Yeah, thanks, Payment. Any comments from you, Wani?
I'm good. The only question I had is if there is any upgrade from the service, uh, will they notify that an upgrade is going on based on our integration? And or is it like we won't know and it is all abstract?
Hey, Vani, what do you mean by upgrade? Do you mean the release upgrade on the Notary project side or any
No.
upgrade
Yeah.
on the service?
Yeah, the service side. That's what.
Can you clarify more on the upgrade?
The upgrade in the sense if they have found any issues, so they would want to fix it. So any new releases on the service side, will it be notified to us before it is being deployed into our environment, or we have to go and get those latest version or patches of the service?
Actually, the SCARF tool is an online service. It's like a SaaS, so we don't need to manually install it and maintain it. We can always use the latest version on their SaaS website.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I hope that resolves your question.
Yeah, definitely.
And we can grant the access permission to all Notary project maintainers, so we can monitor the website and documentation user traffic online. I saw Shui's hands up. Please, Shui.
Yeah, thanks. So I have a question. That is, our website is versioned. So we have version 1.0, version 1.1, and version 1.2. So this stuff is added to all the versions or a single version. So if it's added to all the versions, can it show different versions for different metrics, or we have a union metrics?
I believe the SCARF tool should count all versions because they count the user traffic by different paths. We can get the insights on which URL gets most views from customers, from users. So I think all of our Notary project versions should be counted by this tool. We use different URLs to differentiate Notary project versions. For v1.1, we have a prefix like v1-1 at the beginning, and we have different versioning number in the URL to differentiate the versions of the website, of the documentation.
Okay, thanks. So basically, it will record the URL that the user is visiting. So, and we will add the link, that's the image link to all the web pages, right?
Correct.
Yes, thanks.
Yeah. We use different version number to differentiate the Notary project documentation version. So ideally, this tool should analyze the whole traffic of the website, includes all versions, and we can know which version is getting much more consumption from the user.
Feynman, can you go to the review page that you just shared for this metrics, the dashboard?
Yeah. Let me return to the dashboard.
Is it possible to see the different links for the documents?
It's actually a sample metrics. We didn't enable it. We didn't merge that PR, so we cannot get real data. If we can get that PR merged, we can have the real data collected by this tool, and we can know which URL gets the most views by users. This is the ranking of the page views.
Yeah, okay, got you.
So Toddy just joined. I guess that the SCARF team may meet Toddy at KubeCon in person. Whether any questions or discussions happened during KubeCon?
No, we kind of didn't discuss in details the monitoring of Notary project. It was more to meet and kind of get to know each other.
Okay.
Okay, cool. I think Manny, maybe you can take a look at this PR later, and if you are okay with it, you could approve this PR.
Yeah,
Is that
sure.
okay? Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And I think this PR has been opening for almost a month, so it's better that we can take a quick action.
Sure. Yeah. I see that. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll take care of it today.
Thank you. Yeah, and later on, once this PR is merged, we can, if there are some data populated, we can review the metrics, the dashboard, and we can find a time in the community meeting to have a discussion to see whether we can get some insights from the data. Okay, let me reshare the page. Yeah, I'm sharing the screen now. Let me check whether Pradesh joined or not. Not yet. Before we talk about the first item, any other topics you want to discuss? No? I saw Pradesh just joined in time. Hi, Pradesh.
Hi. Hi, everyone.
Yeah, we just finished the second topic to discuss about the SCARF tool integrate to the Notary project website so that later on we can see the populated metrics on the dashboard. And Fabian also just did a quick demo on the dashboard. And then later on, once this PR is merged, we will see the real data and we can do another round of data analysis and brainstorming on the data to get some insights and see whether we can have some actions to improve our documentation and promote Notary project. Then I think we can talk about the first topic. The first one is actually related to our upcoming release. We planned previously 1.3 RC.1, and this release will include basically all the security audit issues into this release. And after RC1, we will give 1 week to see whether any other issues. If not, we can cut a stable release for 1.3. For the security audit, I recently checked the Slack channel. It seems we still have 3 issues not solved yet, and 2 of them request Pritesh you take a look and get a response to the security audit team. And 1 issue require the audit team to respond.
I'll try to review them this week. I thought of doing over the weekend, but I got caught up into some personal issues, so I will try to do it this week.
Yeah, understood. Yeah, so I think it doesn't mean that we needed to really, do some implementation to for fixes. Just we needed to understand whether we should include the fixes for those 3 issues into RC.1. If not, we can plan other releases later on. but we need to get an alignment with the audit team and also among our notary project maintainers. Okay, and based on the timeline, so previously we planned the RC1 by end of November, so which means basically next week. So we are very close to our targeted date, but as I just mentioned, we still have 3 issues not decided the way forward. So let's keep monitoring this week to see if we can make any progress. If not, we probably need to find a way out to see whether we need to delay the upcoming release. And based on the last 2 weeks collaboration, the communication with the security audit team, it seems that they are also maybe busy on something else. So the response is not that in time. So let's keep monitor this week and see how it goes. Okay. Any comments on this, on our release and also the security audit? And please let me know if, for example, if we think that there's a need to have another meeting for discussion to speed up, please let me know. I can work with the audit team to schedule a meeting for it. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the first topic. Any comments or any other topics you want to discuss?
Yeah, I do have. There was one pending action item from last meeting about a potential security issue. We don't know it's there or not, where a plugin might emit very large output, which might crash the notation process, or where in the process where notation is running. So for example, if Ratify is running with some plugin which is bad, it might crash the whole Ratify process.
I didn't join last meeting.
Yes.
Yeah.
I haven't tested, but I will test it later.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do we? Yeah, I saw maybe this one. Yeah, let me open it. Is this issue?
I think so.
Yep.
Yeah. Where this
Okay.
should block 1.3?
Sure,
I don't think
I don't think it should block, but if we have to patch it, it's better to patch it in this one than doing another patch release.
Okay.
Like, yeah, I mean, if it's not an issue, yes, probably we can just like if we can test it quickly, it would be good. Because it would be a high severity issue since it will crash the whole process.
Sure. I think I will test it this week.
Yeah. The easiest way to test is just write a minimal code and write 2 minimal code and just shell out from other code and just call other process. You don't need to really retest with notation.
Yeah. You're right.
Okay. Let's put this issue tentative for the upcoming release because if we, as I just mentioned, if we want to delay the upcoming release, we may have the time to include the fix By the way, how did we find this? Is this due to track the issues? Because I saw this issue was created a very long time ago.
Yep, it was during triage. I mean, the issue was old, but the security side we figured out during triage.
Okay. Yeah, any other issues to discuss? No, I think we can end this meeting early. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Have a nice day.
See you, folks.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Thank you. Bye.